Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will resolve an error that is no module name Mediapipe. So I'm trying to execute that particular project, gate analysis system. Let's open terminal here and we have to write python space main.py file. So just write python space main.py, then hit enter. So I'm getting that error, module not found error, no module name Mediapipe. So first we have to check that python is installed or not. So click on the Windows key, write edit and then click on the edit the system environment variable. Just click on it. Then click on the environment variables. Okay, just double click on the path. Now see, Python 3.10 is already added. Python 3.10 is already installed and added the path here. Okay, so just double click on it and copy the location and then click on OK. Okay, and minimize. Now paste the location here, whatever we have copied. Then just enter. You reach at that particular location of Python which you have downloaded. Okay, Python 3.10 is already there and script folder is already there. So location is already added in the environment variable. So don't worry about the Python. Python is successfully installed previously. Okay, let's close that. Now open the project folder and open terminal here and try to install the Mediapipe library. Pip install Mediapipe. Then enter. Okay, now downloading the Mediapipe library. Sound device. CFFI. Okay, now successfully installed Mediapipe CFFI and PyC parser and the sound device. Okay, with that particular version. So let's check the version of Mediapipe. Pip show Mediapipe. Okay, then hit enter. Okay, now it will show the library name Mediapipe and the version 0.10.31. So this will be the error. No module not found error. No module name Mediapipe. And this will be the solution. We have to install the Mediapipe library. For that, first you have to check that Python is successfully installed or not. If it's not installed, then you have to install that particular Mediapipe library. Okay. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you're facing any error in your project, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. And if you're searching projects related to computer science domain, then we are providing projects in multiple domain in Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, Android app development, Java. Okay, all those domain we are working on it. And let's end this video here. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.